Hi everyone, it's me Romz. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another paper flower tutorial with a different petal templates. So let's get started. Materials that we need for today are cardstock papers, glue gun and glue sticks. You need a pencil, a ruler or a bone folder, scissors. I have the Fringe scissor and the regular scissor, and of course our templates. So for the petals, I use 4.5 inches, 5.5 inches, and a 6.5 inches. And for our hexagon base, it's a 5 inches. So of course, the first thing that we need today is to trace our templates into our cardstock papers. That's why you need this pencil and of course the scissor to cut them. But before I start this video, I already cut all the templates to save time for this video. And I have them right here. Here's our 5 inches hexagon base and our petals. So we need 12 each of these petals so that we could create our paper flower for today. So what I'm gonna do now next is to fold our petal templates. So the use of this bone folder is that you can use this in folding them like this. Or you can use your ruler if you don't have any bone folder to fold them the same way. Like that. If you don't have any bone folder, then that's fine. You can still use it like this, your regular ruler. So what I'm gonna do is I'll fold all of the petals and then we're gonna move on to the next step. So there you go. We have them all folded. Let me just put this aside. Okay. And this one. So the next step is we are going to make a slit here at the bottom of the petal. And for the 4.5 inches, we need to cut a slit of 1.5 inches. So I need this. I really wanted to measure my the slit to my petals because I don't wanna just eyeballing it, just to make sure, you know, I'm cutting them right and assembling them properly to our base. But if you just wanted to, you know, eyeball the slit, then that's fine too. But for me, I'd like to do that. So this is for the 4.5 inches. And then for the 5.5 inches, you need to cut 2 inches of slit at the bottom, center of the petal, like that. And then for the 6 inches of petals, you have to cut 2.5 inches of slit. There. So there you go. We're done in cutting all of our petals. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll glue them together. So for the large petals, just put some glue over here, and then put the other petal on the other side. So there. Oops. There are two of them. Okay. There. Sorry. I thought it's only one piece. But then again, just put some glue over here and then put them together. Just like that. So I'll glue them, and then once done, we're gonna assemble them to our base. So there, we're done in gluing all of our petals. So now, we're gonna assemble them to our base. So first, we're gonna start with the largest petals. So put some glue just on this left side of the petal at the back. And then you will need to place this first petal into this side of the hexagon base. So just put it like that. And then the same gluing just the side or the left side of the petal at the back. So just put it like that. You can see it's aligned. Then on this next 6 petals, you have to glue them all the way here. Then just put it in the middle of these 2 petals. Here, and then just add glue on that part. So I'll continue the process, and we'll move on to the next step. So now that we're done with the first layer of the petals, what I'm gonna do is I'll grab the second layer of petals here. This time this petal in between of these 2 petals outside. So it will look like this. There, the point will be there between of the 2 petals. So just continue the process. It's the same with the small petals, and then we're gonna make our center after we assemble the petals. So there, this is how it looks like. once done assembling the petals to the base. So I'll just put this one here for a while, and then we're gonna make the center. So for the center, I have two shades of colors that I chose. I have the dark brown and the light brown. So for the dark brown, what I'm gonna do is to fold them into two. Fold it into two parts. And then another fold. And then cut this in half. And then cut this again in half. So you will have 4 of this paper. Now you have to fold them again into 2, like this. Like that. And then what I would like to do next is to put some glue right away here. Then I'll grab my French scissor and cut them like this. Now I always the exact result, but since I have that, it will be much faster and easier for me to finish the center. So I'll use the fringe right now. So a while back, I already cut them. I have here, there. So we're just gonna fold them later. Now for the light brown, you have to fold them in half again, like this. And then another half. Then cut them, or cut it in the middle. But this time, we're not gonna glue them yet. So grab your scissor and cut them. And then open it like this. And that's the time that you're gonna put glue on the other side of the paper. picture. So we're gonna start to roll our center. So there. And I think we only need 3 of each cut papers. Let us see. Let's check. So what I'm gonna do now is to pull out the petals like this. There. Let's check if it's enough. So yeah, I think this is enough. This is big enough for the flower that we need today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some glue here. And I would like to put some here. There. Just put it in the center. And then push down a little bit. So there you go. Isn't it pretty? Our paper flower tutorial template number 3, by the way. I'm gonna name this number 3 because I can't really think of any names for my templates. So the first video for the flower tutorial, paper flower tutorial, I'll name it template number 1, and number 2 the second, if you can see. I made different colors too, like this. As you can see on this one, this is wider, and I added another petal here, another set of petals after the third layer, and it looks like this. And my daughter requested for a purple one, so I made her this. So this one is the smallest, and I used the smallest petal for this flower that we have for today. So there you go, our paper flower tutorial for today. And thank you so much again for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell for the notification, and share, like, and comment down below if you have some questions or suggestions. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.